Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel One Stop.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be talking about this medical box from Milton and what are the common medicines that you should be keeping in a first aid box. दोस्तों आपको अगर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में चाहिए तो आप मेरा नेक्स्ट वीडियो देख सकते हैं, तो मैं उसमें आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिटेल हिंदी में बता दूंगी. So I've ordered this first aid box online and the actual MRP of the product is rupees 231 and I got it for rupees 190, which is quite good. So let's check inside. Wow. So as you can see, it has got a handle out here which makes it easy to carry, and it is quite good plastic which is BPA free and recyclable. And let's check inside now. See, it has got a compact shape for easy storage, and here you can see the partition tray for easy segregation of your medicines and all. So this is all about the box itself. Now I'll talk about the medicines. Now this is pain relief patch or plaster used for aches, knee pain, shoulder pain. I'll keep it here. Then I have this cotton, this crepe bandage, antiseptic liquid. Now this is betadine gargle. This is basically used for the inflammation of gums and mouth ulcers. This is what we use. Now this is the cough syrup. Now talking about the cough syrup, it is meant for different age group and for different purpose as well. Like you have dry cough, you have wet cough. Then I'll give an example, like if you're a 20-year-old person and doctor has prescribed you a cough syrup and it worked for you. Now it doesn't mean that the same syrup will work for a 3-year or a 4-year-old kid. Obviously for kids there are different cough syrups available and doctor knows best what to prescribe. We have this Boroline. Now Volini for pain relief. This is Thrombophоб gel. This is basically for inflammation or swelling of a vein due to a blood clot, and it helps to relieve pain and inflammation by speeding up the healing process. Now I'll put the partitioned tray for segregating the medicines. Let me turn it so that you can see. I have this digital thermometer. Now this is betadine water soluble ointment. Now this is an antibiotic to treat minor wounds, like cuts or scrapes, burns and minor skin infection. I'll keep it here. Now this is micropore surgical tape. People with delicate or sensitive skin can use this tape for minor wounds and wounds that do not need regular dressing changes, etc. I'll keep it here. Let me turn it. Now I'll keep this elastic adhesive bandage. Then these band-aids I'll keep. This is Vicks VapoRub for cold. Iodex for body pain relief. Keep these tweezers. It can be used to remove debris such as glass, dirt or splinters from a wound. This is Carvol Plus capsule. It is basically an inhalant capsule used in treatment of nasal congestion, cold sores or common cold. This is Pudin Hara. Basically it is meant for gas, indigestion and stomach ache. Then this medicine is meant for, loose motion. I have this Calpol. This is basically for fever and body ache. Now, talking about Calpol or any medicine as such, it's always good that you consult your doctor before having any kind of medicine, because there are two reasons mainly. First, if you have fever, for instance, now it can be for various reasons. You can have viral fever, it can be for malaria, dengue, jaundice, and there are several other reasons. So it's always better you go to your doctor, let him decide, get the blood test done, and then depending on the prescription you just get the medicine and have it. Secondly, like all of you know that when we go to the doctor, they check our height, our weight, and then our pulse, several things they'll take note of, and then they prescribe you medicine. For example, I have 500 mg Calpol, right? You also get Calpol 650 mg, but for me, if I take 650 mg, it's like feel vomitish. It doesn't suit me. I tried once, there was 500 mg was not available in my house, so I thought, okay, Calpol, it's Calpol, so let's have it. It was 650 mg, and I literally vomited. So it didn't suit me. Now, depending on my age, my like health conditions, so doctor has always prescribed me 500 mg, so that is best for me. So these are the two reasons. You should always be careful by taking any kind of medicine or giving any kind of medicine to anyone else as well. Okay, I also have this silver nitrate gel. This is meant basically for treating burns and wounds. I'll keep it here. You should also keep a scissor. Sometimes what happens is you don't need the entire lot, so you ask the person in the medical shop to give you 2 or 4 medicines depending on your requirement. In that case, what they do is they just cut the medicine like this and give it to you. Now, as you can see, the name of the tablet is not mentioned, neither the expiry date is mentioned, so it's become very difficult for you to recognize later like what this tablet is meant for actually. So you just take an envelope, write the name of the medicine here and the expiry date, and just keep it. It becomes easier for you and your family members to recognize the tablet later. I'll keep it here. Please remember, all the medicines, ointments, etc. that I showed you here has been prescribed by a doctor, and some are there which we have been taking since ages. So it's not that I'm promoting any kind of medicine or any kind of product out here. You should be having things which being prescribed by your own doctor, and these are just some medicines that you should be having. It can be any kind of antiseptic liquid, cough syrup, any kind of gargle, and like same for if you have fever and all. It depends on your requirement, and all that is good for your health. You buy accordingly. And also remember that you should be keeping your doctor's number handy. You should keep this also in the first aid box, because in time of emergency it is very much required. So you just keep this as well. Now, as you can see, the expiry date is mentioned here, so it's always good that you start having your medicines from here, and at the end you can consume these. Now, similarly here as well, start having from here, and at the end you can have these. So this is all for today, and as I said, if you want to get the details in Hindi. You can watch my next video, and that's it. Take care and have a nice day.